Yung sa Carabalo Mountain, paano po nagsimula yun, yung project na yun?
2025, nagkaroon tayo ng meeting sa mga iba't ibang ahensya ng national government. So ito nga, ang sabi nila na simulan na to sa ibang mga probinsya, ibang munisipyo. Kasi malawak ang Carabalo Mountain. So upon our meeting last year, napagdesisyonan namin na simulan na rin yung pag-develop ng Carabalo Mountain dito sa San Manuel. 4 na barangay yung nasasakupan niyan, yung convergence na pinaplano natin. So, nandyan yung Barangay Lapalo, Barangay Santo Domingo, Barangay San Bonifacio, tsaka Barangay San Roque.
So ano po yung mga natin doon, mga projects na naka-install or yung mga inaasahan natin?
Mga binigay na plano ng national government ng convergence ng Carabalo Mountain, nandyan yung unang-una, tree planting. So, yung protection ng watershed natin, yung pagpapalawak ng farm-to-market road, tsaka syempre yung agritourism na tinatawag natin.
Hello, magandang umaga. Dito tayo sa bayan ng San Manuel para sa Carabalo Mountain Area Convergence. No? Isa itong proyekto ng munisipalidad ng San Manuel. Carabalo Mountain, San Manuel, launching presentation. Si ADP. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari sa loob.
Every community flourishes and every generation inherit a better tomorrow.
Today, that battle cry echoes beyond the boundaries of our municipality. It is now heard and recognized at the national stages as San Manuel takes another bold step towards sustainable development. A pleasant morning to our distinguished national government officials, esteemed regional directors, honorable local chief executives, representatives from partner agencies, respected leaders of people's organization, members of the private sector, our indigenous communities, guests, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the launching and presentation of Carabalo Mountain San Manuel Convergence Area Development Plan.
The Carabalo Mountains continues to face challenges brought about by forest degradation, unsustainable resource extraction, and poverty. These realities remind us that protecting our forests also means creating sustainable livelihoods and empowering our communities.
That is why today's launching is specifically or especially significant. The Convergence Area Development Plan serves as a roadmap toward agroforestry development, watershed protection, ecotourism, biodiversity conservation, and sustainable economic opportunities for people of San Manuel.
This initiative also reflects the strong commitment and active participation of our leaders toward achieving sustainable development and environmental stewardship for present and future generations.
Together,
Let us begin this meaningful journey toward a greener, more resilient, and more sustainable future.
once again, welcome to the Carabalo Mountain San Manuel Convergence Area launching.
Maraming sakop na probinsya rin yan. So part of San Manuel, isa kami na sinasakop ng Carabalo. Pero ang Mount Carabalo, napakahaba yan. Ang daming kapitbayan at lalawigan pang masasakop niyan. And then sa dulo niyan, papuntang Cordillera, parang gano'n yan. Kaya mahaba.
So, hindi lang po San Manuel ang sakop nito?
Hindi lang San Manuel, pero dito kasi sa mountainous area, maluwang ang part ng San Manuel na sinasakop ng Mount Carabalo. Ito ay pinag-aralan mabuti ng mga partner agencies, no? Like sa Department of Agriculture, Department of Agrarian Reform, sa DILG, sa DENR, napakarami sa DPW, DTI, ang daming mga partner agencies nito. Ang convergence at pinagsama, ito yung tinatawag na yung mga apat na barangay na part ng Mount Caraballo na sinasakop niya yung apat na barangay dito sa amin. Kaya itong convergence, no, ito yung tinatawag na convergence area, ito yung tinatawag, it means unity, pagkakaisa at pagtutulungan ng lahat ng agencies, and then the provincial government, municipal government, barangay officials, para mas lalo mapabilis ang serbisyo sa nasasakupan nitong convergence area. Katulad ng pagpapabilis, yung pag-improvement ng mga kalsada, syempre mas mabilis na naman ang serbisyo, mas mabilis ang paglabas ng mga produkto nitong mga farmers natin, mga fisher folks na nandito sa areang ito.
Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo magtulong-tulong na kaunan ng mahal Panahon na ng pagbabago at iayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat lang maging tungkulin ng bawat mamamayan dito sa atin. Gawin ang pagbabago patungo sa pag-asenso, magsikap ng mahuhuyan na kuminhawa na ito, ipagpalaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas. Panahon na ng pagbabago, tangkilikin natin ang sarili natin. Laban na ugat-ugatin kaysa sa iba sa atin ang unahin. Panahon na ng pagbabago at makuna sa kahit anong larangan. Ang tagumpay ay karangalan, iyan ang iyong ihalunan sa bayan. Ilang ulit na natutunayan ng Pilipino ang husay at lakas, kagandahan at talento, at ang ipagpaligsahan kahit anong oras ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas. Panahon na ng pagbabago, buhay natin ay gawing mahal. Marami na magandang bukas ang ibubunga ng bagong Pilipinas. Panahon na.
Our first speaker has consistently championed initiatives that promote environmental conservation, community empowerment, and sustainable local development. Ladies and gentlemen, let us warmly welcome the Municipal Mayor of San Manuel, Pangasinan, Honorable Kenneth
Kenneth Marco West Perez.
for his welcome remarks.
Bago ang lahat, nais ko punang batiin lahat ng mga kalahok dito sa Convergence ng magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So, nais ko punang batiin ang ating mga bisita, our DAR representative, Ma'am Mirna Masmela, our Department of Agriculture representative, Dr. Gilbert P. Ravara, na marami akong kamag-anak dito sa bayan ng San Manuel. Of course, our Director of DILG Region 1, Director Jonathan Paul Leo said, Sir, our DNR representative,
Forester Rico Biado, Maricel. Of course, Dr. Marvin Quelates, the Agricultural Program Coordinating Officer of Pangasinan. Ang minamahal natin, magaling na gobernador ho ng aming probinsya ng Pangasinan, Governor Ramon Monmon Kiko III, represented by Mr. Manuel Luis Jr. Welcome ulit sa San Manuel. Our District Engineer of DPWH, Ma'am Maria Venus Turio. Our Provincial Agriculturist, Madam Dalisay Moya. Hi ma'am. Sa kaibigan din ho natin from SRPC, the Vice President of our SRPC, walang iba, Sir Tommy Valdez. Sa mga kasamaan ko ho dito sa lokal na pamahalaan ng San Manuel, nandito ang aming kuya, Vice Mayor Alain Jeriquez Perez, sa mga konsyal na nandito, sa lahat ho ng mga barangay officials na pinapangunahan ng ating APC President, Punong Barangay Armando Casil, sa lahat po ng mga kawani ng Department of Education ng San Manuel, nandito silang lahat, sa ating mga kasamahan na magsasaka dito sa bayan ng San Manuel, sa lahat po ng mga kababayan natin, indigenous people dito sa San Manuel, magandang umaga ho and welcome to our municipality, the humble municipality of San Manuel. Of course, yung mga department heads, nandito rin sila. Palakpakan ho natin kung mga department heads na nagtulong-tulong upang maisakutuparan itong program natin for this morning. So, alam nyo, this was planned 2 months ago. So, nag-meeting ho yung mga kawani natin sa national agencies and they told us na ganito yung plano nila sa ating bayan ng San Manuel, especially sa Caraballo Mountain ng ating bayan. So, inaral ho natin, yun pala, almost half of our land area in San Manuel ay part ng Caraballo Mountain. So itong programa hong ito ng ating mga kasamahan sa national government ay napakalaking tulong sa bayan ng San Manuel. So these programs not only aims to promote the livelihood of our farmers, but also this will be the start. I believe this will be the start of agri-tourism in San Manuel. Sana ho, suportahan natin itong programang ito, itong convergence ng iba't ibang ahensya para sa ganon, mas matulungan natin itong mga kababayan natin dito sa San Manuel, lalong-lalo na itong mga magsasaka na nasa paligid o loob ng Caraballo Mountain. So while we are also promoting this development and programs, our number one priority will always be the protection of our mountains. So alam naman natin, without these mountains, laging kawawa tayo pag may mga bagyo. So hindi lang po development ang dapat natin ipatupad. Unang-una dyan, dapat natin protektahan at lalong mahalin ang Caraballo Mountain na nagbibigay tulong, nagbibigay pangkabuhayan sa ating mga magsasaka dito sa ating bayan ng San Manuel. So sana sa lahat po ng aming mga kababayan dito sa San Manuel, makiisa at magtulungan tayo para sa ganon mas may promote pa ang ating bayan ng San Manuel. Sumuli ho, sa lahat po ng aming mga bisita na nandito ngayong umaga, welcome to our municipality, San Manuel, Pangasinan. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Baligi, San Manuel.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Kenneth Marco S. Perez. Mabuhay ang kaunlaran at mabuhay ang development na dala-dala ng ating bulubundukin ng Carapalio. Development becomes more meaningful when leaders work together with communities toward a common purpose. To deliver his opening message, please welcome our Municipal Vice Mayor of our San Manuel, Pangasinan, none other than Honorable Alain Jericho Season Perez.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. I would like to acknowledge, katatapos ng salita, of course, our Municipal Mayor, Mayor Kenneth Marco S. Perez. Palagpagan po natin. Our Governor, Governor Ramon Gico III, represented by Mr. Manuel Luis Jr., the Provincial Administrator. Good morning, sir. From the entire representatives, Ma'am Merna Masmila, Senior Agrarian Reform Program Officers, Department of Agrarian Reform, Provincial Office, Pangasinan. Department of Agriculture Representative, Dr. Gilbert D. Rabara. DILG, our Regional Director, Director Jonathan Paul M. Luis Yusuf Jr. DNR Representative, Centro Forester Rigo Biado. The Dr. Martin Kilatis, the Agricultural Program Coordinating Officer, Pangasinan Organic Agriculture Program, Focal Person, Acting Center Chief, Sir Tommy Valdez, SRPC, the Vice President for the Community, Ma'am Dalisay A. Moya, the Provincial Agriculture, our school heads, of course, the DPW District Engineer, Engineer Maria Benos Estorio. Good morning, ma'am. The partner agencies who joined this program today, our school heads, barangay officials, Sangguniang Bayan members, the national agencies, our partner agencies. Of course, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. It is my honor to welcome you all for the launching of this convergence area and the presentation of the Convergence Area Development Plan. So, nandito po tayong lahat para witness at makita natin ang launching. Of course, our partners, this is a shared plan for our roadmaps for bringing more livelihood, more improvements, infrastructure in this community. Ito po ang convergence, ang ibig sabihin ay pagkakaisa, pagtutulungan ng lahat ng agencies na nandito. Malaking bagay po, bakit mahalaga ang convergence area? Dahil ito po ay makakapagbigay ng mas mabilis na serbisyo sa ating bayan, mas mabilis na infrastructure na ibibigay dito sa aming bayan. So sa lahat po ng national agencies partners, maraming salamat po sa pagpili sa aming bayan bilang convergence area. As your Municipal Vice Mayor, I assure you for the full support for this program. Pagpapatibay ng polisiya, resolusyon, ordinansa, kasama ng mga Sangguniang Bayan members para lalo po natin maprotektahan itong Mount Caraballo dito po sa ating bayan. Maraming salamat uli sa national agencies, our partner agencies, sa pagdalo at dito sa napakahalagang programa sa umagang ito. Maraming salamat. Thank you everyone. Baligi, San Manuel.
Thank you so much, Honorable Vice Mayor Late Jericho S. Perez, for reminding us that sustainable development flourishes through unity, partnership, and responsible leadership. The province of Pangasinan continues to champion programs that balance economic growth with environmental protection. Though visionary leadership opportunities are created while safeguarding our natural heritage. To share his message of support, may we welcome the Governor of the Province of Pangasinan, Honorable Ramon V. Dico III, represented by Mr. Manuel O. Luis Jr., Pangasinan Provincial Administrator. A resounding applause, please.
Dahil pagbibigat ni amin ako mawanti labas, kung nalaunay ako kahit kung kadlaawan ako, dahil may ama, ako ti Iri, tayo nga San Manuel, palakpakan tayo man ako, Mayor Kenneth Perez. Iti partner na ako, servisyo ni Pinagrangay, ti Iri San Manuel, ati ako yung ayat tayo, Gasampo na ang bayan, presiding officer, ang ating pong Vice Mayor, palakpakan po natin, Vice Mayor Jericho Perez, sir. Kasama na ako yung raman ko, nandito isampo na ang bayan members, iti San Manuel. Likewise, I would like also to acknowledge our DAR-01 family, headed of course by Dr. Gilbert Rabara, sir. With him, we have Doc Marvin Quelates, Ma'am Analisa Ramos, and Ma'am Loida Pacursa. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. And of course, from the DNR, Region 1 family, represented by Sir Rick Obiado, sir. And of course, ang ating pong DILG, Region 1. Kasama po natin dito ang DILG family. Palakpakan man po natin, Director Jonathan Paul Yusef Jr., sir. Good morning. Kada dito'y nagduma-duma ng ahensya, ako iti gobyerno, aga po iti sabasabali nga opisina, from private sectors, lagi ito'y natataer, nagagagad, kanalalaing, kapunong barangay sa Apo, San Manuel, palakpakan tayo magsuda Apo. Ang ating pong mga LGU employees and department heads, indigenous people of San Manuel, fellow Pangasinense, lahat po tayo nandito po ngayon. Magandang umaga po sa atin pong lahat na imbag, nabigat, kada kayo amin. I am honored to represent our beloved Governor Monmon Dico III at this very significant event, the launching of the Caraballo Mountain San Manuel Convergence Area and the presentation of its Convergence Area Development Plan. Alam niyo po, ang proyektong ito ay bunga ng pagkakaisa ng iba't ibang ahensya ng ating pong pamahalaan kasama ang lokal na pamahalaan ng bayan ng San Manuel. Special mention ko na lang po ang ating pong mga key agencies gaya po ng Department of Agriculture, Department of Agrarian Reform, the DNR, at syempre po ang DILG at iba pang mga agencies. Sa ilalim ng National Convergence Initiative para sa Sustainable Rural Development. This convergence model is an epitome of a bayanihan effort where the national government, the local government units, the community, and the private sectors and other stakeholders are working hand in hand, working together for a common goal, where national agencies, provincial offices, and of course local government units systematically sync their strengths, their resources, together to spark sustainable progress. Hindi po ito hiwa-hiwalay na pagkilos. Ito ay isang nagkakaisang layunin para sa ating pong mga magsasaka, katutubo, at membro ng ating pong komunidad. This morning's early activities are a perfect picture of what this initiative stands for. Some of our programs in the province, such as the fingerling dispersal, speaks directly to food security and expanding aquatic livelihood resources. Meanwhile, also our tree growing activity under the Green Canopy program of the province reminds us also that economic empowerment must always go hand in hand with environmental stewardship. We hope one day or this coming months, the Green Canopy program will also expand in the slopes of the Caraballo Mountains to continuously protect and nurture San Manuel for generations to come. In our provincial administration, our primary measure of victory is our human capital. Ang lahat ng infrastruktura at agrikultura na interbensyon ay may isang tulong. Ang iangat ng antas at kalidad ng buhay ng pamilyang Pangasinense. Through this holistic multi-agency convergence approach, we are bringing real, comprehensive public service and a rural development directly to our rural sectors. Tinutulungan natin protektahan ang kalikasan habang sinisigurado nating may sapat na kita at pagkain sa pagkainan ng bawat mamayan. To the people of San Manuel, this convergence plan is tailored specifically for your progress. Ngunit magiging matagumpay lamang ito kung ito ay ating isasabuhay sa pamamagitan ng patuloy na pagkakaisa at malasakit sa isa't isa. Ang inyong buong pusong pagtanggap sa programang ito ang magpapatunay na ang San Manuel ay hindi lamang tahanan ng mahisipag na mamayan, kundi ito po ay magsisilbing pagawaan ng tunay na kaunlaran. On behalf of Governor Monmon Dico III, the whole province, the whole provincial government of Pangasinan, we extend our sincerest gratitude to all agencies, especially to our steering committees for making the municipality of San Manuel and our province a pioneer of this green development transition. Asahan po ninyo na ang pamahalang panlalawigan ng Pangasinan ay mananatiling kaagapay ninyo ng balikat sa balikat upang masiguro na ang bawat plano sa Caraballo Mountain Development Plan ay magiging isang buhay na katotohanan. Muli, mula po sa ating pong minamahal na Governor Monmon Dico III, tanggapin po ninyo ang aming pong pagbati sa buong pamilya po ng munisipalidad ng San Manuel na pinamumunahan ng ating pong mahal na mayor at butihing mayor. Let us paddle forward together toward a greener, wealthier, and a more progressive destination. Maraming salamat po. Pangasinan ng Galing, Balaygi, San Manuel.
Once again, thank you so much, Sir Manuel O. Luis Jr., our Pangasinan Provincial Administrator, for sending us firsthand the words of commitment straight from the office of the Provincial Governor. Can extend also our gratitude to our Governor for reinforcing the province's commitment to sustainable and inclusive development. Agriculture thrives when our forests, watersheds, and natural resources are protected. Today's Convergence Initiative embodies the important connection. To deliver the message of support of our Honorable Francisco Chu Laurel Jr., our Secretary of the Department of Agriculture, may we welcome the Regional Technical Director for Research and Regulations of Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 1, Dr. Gilbert D. Rabara. Sir.
Naimbag nga bigat San Manuel, sakbay man tayo nga ibasa iti mensahe ingutan tayo nga sekretaryo iti Department of Agriculture, nakman kablawat iti amati iling nga San Manuel. It is an honor to read or deliver the message of our Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. The support to the Caraballo Mountain San Manuel Convergence area. So sabi ko dito, nagkanaaraw ko sa ating mga local officials, partner agencies, stakeholders, at higit sa lahat sa ating mga magsasaka at mamamayan ng San Manuel, Pangasinan. Ang paglulunsad ng Caraballo Mountain San Manuel Convergence area ay hindi lamang simpleng pagpapasinaya ng isang proyekto. Ito ay pangmatagalang pamumuhunan para sa agrikultura, kalikasan, at kabuhayan ng susunod pang mga henerasyon. Ang San Manuel ay may humigit kumulang 4,700 na hektarya ng lupang agrikultura. Nakatumbas halos ng 35% ng kabuuang lawak ng bayan. Taon-taon nakapagtatala ito ng mahigit 43,000 metric tons ng produksyon ng palay at higit 2,000 metric tons ng mais. Ipinapakita nito na mahalagang bahagi ng San Manuel sa supply ng pagkain sa Pangasinan at sa buong rehiyon. Ngunit alam natin na ang mataas na produksyon ay hindi sapat kung nananatiling hamon ang kakulangan sa tubig, mataas na gastos sa produksyon, at epekto ng pabago-bagong klima. Kaya mahalaga ang convergence approach dahil pinagsasama-sama nito ang infrastruktura, likas na pamamahala ng likas na yaman at suporta sa kabuhayan ng isang direksyon. Sa pamamagitan ng mga farm-to-market roads, mas mabilis at mas mura ng maihahati ng ating mga magsasaka ang kanilang ani sa pamilihan. Ang mga solar-powered irrigation systems, irrigation canals, at small water impounding projects ay magbibigay ng mas maasahang supply ng tubig, lalo na sa panahon ng tag-init. Kapag may sapat na tubig, mas mataas ang posibilidad na mas maraming taniman sa isang taon, mas mataas na ani, at mas matatag na kita ng ating magsasaka. Ngunit, higit pa sa produksyon ang layunin ng proyekteng ito. Ang Caraballo Mountain ay hindi lamang kabundukan. Ito ay pinagmumulan ng tubig na nagbibigay buhay sa mga bukirin at komunidad sa ibabang bahagi ng watershed. Kapag nasira ang kabundukan, apektado ang irigasyon, lumalala ang pagbaha sa tagulan, at tumitindi ang kakulangan sa tubig sa tag-init. Kaya napakahalaga ng mga programang reforestation at pangangalaga sa watershed na bahagi ng convergence area. Ang pagtatanim at pagprotekta na sa kagubatan ay hindi lamang usapin ng kalikasan. Ito ay usapin ng seguridad sa pagkain at kinabukasan ng agrikultura. Sa madaling salita, ang pagprotekta sa Caraballo Mountain ay pagprotekta rin sa ating mga sakahan. Ito ay tunay na kinahulugan ng pag-unlad. Hindi lamang pagtaas ng production ngayon, kundi pagtiyak na may matabang lupa, sapat na tubig, at maayos na kabuhayan pa rin ang susunod na henerasyon ng mga magsasaka. Sa Department of Agriculture, naniniwala tayo na ang pag-unlad ng agrikultura ay hindi nakakamit ng iisang ahensya lamang. Kailangan ang pagtutulungan ng pamahalaan, lokal na komunidad at mismong mga magsasaka upang makabuo ng mga solusyong tumatagal at tunay na nararamdaman ng kanayunan. Sa ating mga magsasaka, kayo ang dahilan kung bakit ginagawa ang mga programang tulad nito. Naway magsilbing paalala ang proyektong ito na ang pag-unlad ng kanayunan ay nagsisimula sa pagbibigay ng sapat na suporta sa mga taong araw-araw na nagsisiguro na may pagkain sa ating mga hapag. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang magsasaka ng San Manuel, Pangasinan. Yan po ang mensahe ng ating mahal na sekretaryo at muli magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Thank you so much, Secretary Chu Laurel Jr. for your inspiring message and steadfast support in advancing sustainable agriculture alongside environmental stewardship, represented by, of course, DA Representative Dr. Gilbert Miramara, Regional Technical Director for Research and Regulations, Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 1. True rural development empowers communities while ensuring that the land continues to support or to sustain generations to come. It is now our honor to welcome the Secretary of the Department of Agrarian Reform, Honorable Conrado M. Estrella III, for his message and support. To be represented by Ma'am Mirna Masmila, Senior Agrarian Reform Program Officer, Department of Agrarian Reform Provincial Office, Pangasinan. A resounding applause, please.
Good morning to everyone, especially to our hardworking farmers, our dear ARBs, our partner agencies, government officials, and to our valued stakeholders. On behalf of our Honorable DAR Secretary, Conrado Estrella III, we and the Department of Agrarian Reform, Ilocos Region, would just like to say a few words of joy and pride. Today, we celebrate and place importance on this milestone as we launch the Caraballo Mountain Convergence Area here in San Manuel, Pangasinan. This occasion is more than a ceremonial event. It is a shared commitment to improving the lives of the people who tirelessly work to feed our nation. To our dear farmers and ARBs, mabuhay kayong lahat. Through this convergence, we are bringing together the support, resources, and expertise of different agencies because we believe that when we work together, we can create lasting opportunities to our farmers and build stronger, more sustainable agricultural communities. In this Momentum Day, we also award farm machinery and agricultural inputs to the Santo Domingo Agrarian Reform Beneficiaries and Farmers Association, which will surely help our farming community. The machinery and input we are providing today represent more than assistance. They are investment in your productivity, resilience, future, and of course, the dedication of our agency in providing the needs of our beneficiaries. As you are part of the ever-growing Department of Agrarian Reform family, I want you to know that our vision goes beyond today's activity and distribution. We are working toward a future where every farmer has the opportunity to thrive, every community enjoys greater food security, and next generation sees agriculture as a source of hope and prosperity. Together, let us continue cultivating not only our lands, but also brighter and better future to every Filipino farmer. Once again, mabuhay ang magsasakang Pilipino. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Madam Mirna Masmela, and of course, DORS Secretary Estrella. Strong institutions and empowered local governments are essential in transforming developmental plans into meaningful action. Through effective governance and collaboration, sustainable communities can flourish while preserving the environment for generations to come. To deliver the message of support of the Secretary of the Department of the Interior and Local Government, Honorable Juanito Victor Rimulya Jr., let us welcome Director Jonathan Paul M. Lucen Jr., the Regional Director of DILG Regional Office 1, and the same time the co-chairperson of Regional Convergence Initiative for Sustainable Rural Development. Sir.
Thank you, ako Master of Ceremonies, Sir and Ma'am. Ngayon magbibigat tayo amin na po. Malubusan dak na basahan na ito ay message ni Secretary Juanito Victor Rimulya ay patulot di opisina na. Good morning and warm greetings, Honorable Kenneth Marco Perez, the Municipal Mayor of San Manuel, to Vice Mayor Aling Jericho S. Perez, and the members of the Sangguniang Bayan of San Manuel, our partners from the National Convergence Initiative for Sustainable Rural Development, representatives from national government agencies and local government units, community leaders, and all stakeholders gathered here today for the launching of the Caraballo Mountain San Manuel Convergence Area Development Plan. On behalf of the DILG, we extend our warmest congratulations to the Municipality of San Manuel and all partner agencies for this significant milestone. The launching of the CADP marks the beginning of a more coordinated and strategic approach to rural development, ensuring that government programs and investments are aligned toward improving agricultural productivity, protecting natural resources, and enhancing the quality of life of our communities. The DILG supports this initiative and recognizes the importance of convergence in achieving sustainable and inclusive development. Sa pamamagitan ng pagtutulungan ng mga ahensya ng pamahalaan, mga lokal na pamahalaan at iba pang stakeholders, mas magiging epektibo ang pagkahatid ng mga programa at serbisyong magbibigay ng matagalang benepisyo sa ating mga mamamayan. Naway magsilbing inspirasyon ang Caraballo Mountain CADP sa iba pang convergence areas at maging daan tungo sa mas matatag, mas maunlad at mas inklusibong kinabukasan para sa San Manuel at sa buong Region 1. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you very much, Secretary Judvic Rimulya Jr. for your inspiring message and steadfast commitment to strengthening local governance as a foundation for sustainable development. Of course, represented by Director Jonathan Paul M. Lucen Jr., Regional Director DILG Region 1, Regional Convergence Initiative for Sustainable Rural Development Co-Chairperson. The Caraballo Mountains are not only a source of livelihood, but also a priceless ecological treasure that must be protected. Their conservation requires the collective effort
Isang mahiwagang umaga po sa ating lahat. On behalf of our Acting Secretary, Honorable Juan Miguel T. Cuna, to our Regional Executive Director, Attorney Ronel Suksuk, and of course to our Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Officer, Dr. Chester Casil, allow me to convey the warm greetings and full support of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources to this important undertaking. We sincerely thank the local government unit of San Manuel and all our partner agencies for bringing us together for the launching of the Caraballo Mountain San Manuel Convergence Area and its Convergence Area Development Plan. Today's activity is a clear demonstration of what we can achieve when national government agencies, local government, communities, and stakeholders work together toward a common goal. We are truly grateful for the continued partnership and commitment of every involved. The protection of our natural resources and the sustainable development of our communities cannot be accomplished by one agency alone. It requires cooperation, shared responsibility, and sustained action. Rest assured that the DNR, through its regional office, field offices, provincial offices, and community office, remain committed to supporting this convergence initiative. We look forward to strengthening our partnership and continuing our collective efforts for the protection of Caraballo Mountain and the sustainable development of its communities. Once again, thank you to the Municipality of San Manuel, our partner agencies, and all stakeholders for your continued trust, cooperation, and support. Maraming salamat po, and may we continue working together for sustainable and resilient San Manuel. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you so much, Secretary Cuna and Forester Villano, for reminding us that environmental stewardship is a shared responsibility and an enduring legacy we owe to our future generations.
Good day, esteemed colleagues, partners, and stakeholders. Today, we present the Convergence Area Development Plan for 2025 to 2029. Focusing on the Caraballo Mountains Convergence Area here in the municipality of San Manuel, Pangasinan. This plan establishes a cooperative, multi-agency roadmap for sustainable development, balancing economic growth with proactive environmental protection. To understand our path forward, let us look at our baseline data. San Manuel spans over 13,700 hectares across 14 barangays, housing over 54,000 residents across nearly 15,000 households. While our land are fertile, with over 55% dedicated to agriculture, we face a notable poverty incidence of 24.48%. Our unique topography mixes lowland plains with mountainous and hilly terrain, creating immense economic potential alongside distinct natural vulnerabilities like seasonal floods and landslides. Why this development plan? And why now? Our municipality is partly critical, interconnected ecosystem challenges such as deforestation, biodiversity loss, soil erosion, and water pollution. Coupled with infrastructure gaps and limited local economic options, these issues directly affect our communities. The Convergence Area Development Plan, or CADP, serves as our strategic intervention to simultaneously improve local livelihoods, protect our fragile environment, and enhance the overall quality of life. When we examine the Caraballo Mountains Convergence Area, our planning identified four critical, deeply entrenched challenges that directly hinder our municipality's growth. The Caraballo Mountains Natural Watershed is facing a severe ecological strain from seasonal forest fires and deforestation, leading to soil erosion and landslides that isolate upland communities. This erosion causes significant siltation in the Tuboy, Sinugalan, and Agno rivers, reducing their capacity and resulting in widespread flooding and compromised water quality in lowland agricultural areas. These environmental issues disrupt agriculture, especially in Barangay Santo Domingo, La Palo, San Bonifacio, and San Roque, where chronic irrigation deficits leave farmers dependent on unpredictable weather, rising input costs, and a lack of modern post-harvest machinery further exacerbate their challenges. Infrastructure gaps worsen that situation, as many agricultural zones rely on unpaved, poorly engineered roads that become impossible during the rainy season, stranding produce and inflating transportation costs. As a result, San Manuel faces a 24.48% poverty incidence, particularly among the rural households. Limited local employment options force families to depend on seasonal agricultural income, leading to low purchasing power and heightened vulnerability to economic and climate shocks. The vital takeaway here is that none of this problem exists in isolation. Deforestation causes the erosion that seals our rivers. Silted rivers cause the floods that ruin our unpaved roads and wipe out our crops. And those ruined harvests keep our families trapped in poverty. It is a disruptive chain reaction. Isolated solution failed, which is exactly why the Convergence Area Development Plan synchronizes infrastructure, agriculture, and environmental management into one single unified strategy. Guided by these insights, our vision is clear: a progressive and self-reliant community through an agri-industrial, tourism-based economy by 2029. Our mission anchors this development on effective ecosystem stewardship. Over the next 5 years, our strategic objectives include establishing 150 hectares of high-value crop plantations, constructing small impounding water system, upgrading grain harvesting machinery, and directly empowering our local people's organizations as primary partners in rural development. Turning this plan into action requires a highly coordinated portfolio of projects from 2025 to 2029, rolled out alongside our agency partners. On the infrastructure front, we are executing 15 kilometers of farm-to-market roads, structural slope protection, and a new bridge and hanging bridge at Sito Tacnan. For agricultural productivity, we are implementing 12.5 kilometers of rehabilitated irrigation canals, installing 10 solar-powered irrigation units, and providing modern assets like rice combine harvesters and tractors to mechanize our fields. Simultaneously, our environmental and socio-economic interventions are robustly scheduled. We are launching a 250 hectares, 5-year reforestation contract alongside intensive high-volume tree plantations for banana, coffee, and cacao. To diversify income, our livelihood framework builds swine, goat, and dairy multiplier farms, organic composting facilities, and aquaculture fish cages, while deploying targeted sustainable livelihood programs for 125 indigent and 4 municipalities. Accountability and seamless execution are built into our implementation framework, led by the local chief executive and executed on the ground by our planning, agriculture, and engineering offices. These frameworks integrate services across all sectors. National government agencies will provide a unified net of technical expertise, regulatory monitoring, and project monitoring committee support. This ensures that every project executed directly impacts our ultimate focus, the beneficiaries and the communities of San Manuel. Together, we are not just planning for the next 5 years, we are securing the landscape, the livelihood, and the legacy of San Manuel for generations to come. Thank you very much, and let us build a progressive future together. Baligi San Manuel!
Baligi San Manuel, Pangasinan ang galing, and of course, ang galing makabagong or bagong Pilipinas.
This is the moment that we have all been waiting for has arrived. Today's launching signifies more than the opening of a convergence area. It represents the beginning of stronger partnerships, shared responsibilities, and unified action toward protecting the Caraballo Mountains while improving the lives of our communities.
May we now invite all our members at the national, regional, and municipal technical working groups, together with our distinguished officials, to the ceremonial ribbon cutting for the official launching of the Caraballo Mountains San Manuel Convergence Area and the Convergence Area Development Plan. The Convergence Area Development Plan embodies the collective vision of our stakeholders, integrating the environmental conservation, sustainable agriculture, economic growth, and community empowerment. Ladies and gentlemen, the launching and ribbon cutting ceremony of the Convergence Area and Convergence Area Development Plan.
Congratulations to everyone for this remarkable achievement. May this ribbon symbolize our united commitment to sustainable development and environmental stewardship for present and future generations. This signing serves as a powerful affirmation of our shared vision and unwavering commitment to work together in preserving our environment and promoting inclusive, sustainable development.
Once again, we are witnessing the signing of the Memorandum of Agreement and the pledge of support for this milestone, the Caraballo Mountains of San Manuel Convergence Area launching
And presentation of Convergence Area Development Plan.
for his closing remarks.
A resounding applause, please.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Sa ngalan po ng Department of Agriculture, taos-puso po kaming nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng ating mga partner agencies, provincial and municipal local government units, stakeholders, at lalo na sa ating mga magsasaka at mangingisda na naging bahagi ng makasaysayang paglulunsad ng Caraballo Mountain San Manuel Convergence Area. Ang mensahe po ng ating mga kalihim ay malinaw. Ang tunay na pag-unlad ng agrikultura ay nakasalalay sa sama-samang pagkilos. Ang convergence na ating inilulunsad ngayon ay hindi lamang tungkol sa mga proyektong pang-infrastruktura o sa mga interbensyon ng pamahalaan. Ito rin po ay isang pangmatagalang pangako na pangangalagaan ang ating ating watershed, palakasin ang produksyon ng agrikultura, at tiyakin ang mas maunlad na kinabukasan ng ating mga magsasaka at mangingisda. Naway magsilbi ang araw na ito bilang simula ng mas matibay na pagtutulungan ng lahat ng sektor upang mapanatili ang likas na yaman ng Caraballo Mountain at maisulong ang isang mas matatag, produktibo at sustainableng sektor ng agrikultura. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta at pakikisa. Sama-sama nating isulong ang isang luntian, mas matatag at mas masaganang kinabukasan para sa ating mga magsasaka at mangingisda at sa buong Pangasinan. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw po sa ating lahat.
Thank you very much, Director Libao, for your inspiring closing message and for reminding us that the success of the Convergence Area Development Plan depends on our continued collaboration and commitment. Of course, represented by Dr. Marvin Quilates, Agricultural Program Coordinating Officer, Pangasinan, Organic Agriculture Program Focal Person, Acting Center Chief, Pangasinan Research Experiment Center, Santa Barbara.
As a fitting culmination of today's event, we now proceed to the turnover of the initial support to our Convergence Area beneficiaries. This symbolic activity reflects the government's commitment to ensuring that development plans are translated into tangible assistance that uplifts the communities and strengthens sustainable livelihoods. We have seen them all over the 14 barangays of San Manuel, including schools. Congratulations are to bad beneficiaries. Happy graduation. Nawa hindi ito ang pagtatapos ng iyong commitment. We also have a check amounting to 1.2 million pesos from DSWD as Sustainable Livelihood Program Project. Palapakan po natin ang DSWD.
From the Rice Paddock Program of the Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 1, amounting to 36,697,650 pesos. Another certificate of award is hereby given to Santo Domingo ARBs and Farmers Association
Caraballo Mountains for present and future generations. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Baligi San Manuel.
At mabuhay tayong lahat. We are your MCs. I'm Kathleen L. Encarnacion.
I am Mr. J. Martin Salazar. Thank you and good day, everyone.
Thank you and good day.